All right, Kevin Murray here. These are actually my hands, and I want to show you some demos of partner marketing materials. So once you've gone through this process with a partner and it's time to get into action, one of the keys we talked about is that it's important for us to do not only everything we said, but more, but also really run with the program. Give our partners everything they need, because remember, they're putting us in front of their clients that they've served. So we want to do a nice job with these. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of a handful of different demos, and also just remind you there's a lot of flexibility in how you use these. There's a lot of different ways that you can take advantage of these. One of the neat things that I'll show you is once you come up with one, it pretty much you're done using the same thing for the next partner. You change the logo, you might change the offer a little bit. But once you start doing these partner programs, it's really easy to do each additional one. I also just want to remind you that there's a couple different ways you can get some more help with this. One is in this monthly program, we'll cycle through all the different partner videos, so you'll eventually get all this information. If you want to get all the information on the partner programs, get the complete video series, all the training, all the downloads, plus some really great bonuses that include monthly office hours group coaching call where you can come and ask your questions and hear what other people are doing and really get some great actionable information on how to take these out into the world. Sign up for the monthly program and you'll get that as part of your bonuses. I also have a whole 6-week online training program that takes you step by step through the program. It's got all the videos, it's got some bonus downloads, some other bonus videos, some other training that you won't get in my other programs. So keep an eye out for those, or get in touch with me if you're interested in those. So here's an example of a client of mine is Dr. Roof and Shine, and he does this really great roof soft wash cleaning system. So we came up with a partner program that's with a good example of a aligned partner that's non-competitive but adjacent is lawn care. So this is a company that does lawn care and landscaping, and we thought that it would be great for them to look up on the roof of the house. They're doing a great job to keep the property looking great, and that's what we do with the Dr. Roof and Shine. So this is a way for them to have their guys out in the field that are mowing lawns and doing landscaping. They can go to their customers and say, hey, here's a special partner offer from one of our business partners. We're going to help you to keep your property beautiful and give you best-in-class service. So we're talking about our alignment here. We've got our approach and the agreement built in, special summer savings. We're going to help you save $200 on this roof soft wash, and there's other things. So again, it's a great physical tool that they can hand out to their customers. It reinforces what they're committed to and their value. So that's a common theme you'll see in a lot of these pieces. Here's one of my all-time favorites. I give these to my higher-end business partners, and it allows them to give a complimentary strategy session that'll help their friends and their associates focus on how to grow your business income and grow your business value. And this entitles them to a free strategy session with me. So this is a really nice partner approach. My favorite thing on here is that my referring partners, they get to fill in their name here, so they're turning people on to me, which is really cool. Here's some examples of, for my monthly program, I'm getting other businesses to offer my monthly program as a way of saying thank you. So here's a web design firm that can say to their customers, hey, we're going to put you in the Energize Your Business monthly program. Here's all the benefits you get. It's going to help you build your business and attract new clients. So my partner gets to offer all this value for free to their customers. Their customers get a whole bunch of value, and it puts me in front of new potential clients in a meaningful way. So this is an example of, once I've created this piece, and I use Avery online, by the way, to do these, so I can print 2 or 4 at a time. I don't need to print 10,000 of them. Once I've done these, you see I'm just changing the logo, and pretty much I've got a whole bunch of partners now that I could enroll in that program. Here's a great example of something I did with my local Chamber of Commerce. And the main components here are, here's a program that I'm happy to deliver, and we do this as a fundraiser for the chamber. This was a 5-week program. It could be a lunch and learn program, a breakfast program. But here's what we're going to talk about. And again, I've got their logo on it, so it's easy for them to imagine it. Here's the components of how we're going to work together. So this is the agreement. I'm giving you guys a fee reduction. In this case, I gave 100% of the money to the chamber. There's what I do, what they do. So very specific. Here's what's involved in the agreement. And in terms of action, the first step is to send out an email from the chamber to their members. Well, I've already written that for them. So I send them this email, and it's easy for them to forward that along. And here's an example, again with Dr. Rufenshine, of a really simple but reusable template for a partner presentation. So we first talk about the overall alignment. Here's what they are up to, is having homeowners enjoy beautiful properties and build their property value and have free time to share their homes with their loved ones, because they want to do the service. They don't want you mowing your own lawn. Well, we actually have a really similar mission. So we wrote this to create an alignment between what they do and what we do. So we create the alignment, and then we go through and we talk about our approach of how we can help them and how they can help us. And we outline a little bit of, here's an option. Here's a couple different ways that we could work together. And the idea here, if you remember the agreement video, is to get them to choose one of these to get started. And then we talk about the next steps of what we need to do to get started. They're things that we're going to do primarily. And then here's an example of a partner tool that we can use. And again, it's already got their logo on it, so they don't have to do a lot of imagining. So again, there's a lot of different partner tools. Once you start creating them, it's so easy to modify it, that template, for the next partner, as I showed you here. There's also other ways that you can get some more content or some help with me. Personally, I also have private clients that I work with to help them completely line out their partner programs, including creating the presentation. So please be in touch if you're interested in learning how to take these partner programs into your business.